Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And again, I'm in the office doing a bit of prep work and a bit of planning. But this is just a quick video just to give you an update on how the seedlings are progressing and those that are ready to be potted on. We'll also take a look at my delivery of perennial plants that I'd recently received from Thompson Morgan. Enjoy! Just take a quick look then at the seedlings. So the petunias at front, I've already transplanted 80 of those, but I've got a lot more, so I might transfer some more. I've got some lobelia that's desperate for potting on, so I'll crack on with that at some point this weekend. Zinnia looking a little bit leggy, so I might have to plant some more of those. I've got some chili, the red devil, those want potting on. Tomatoes are coming on a treat now. So we've got Moneymaker on the right and Sweet Aperitif from my own seed on the left. The three varieties of dahlias need potting on. The Sunflower Little Leo, they want potting on. And my basil seedlings, again, will be ready soon to pot on. Where I've already potted on are, as I mentioned, the petunia, so we've got 80 petunia and another 80 down there, and here are asters looking alright. And yesterday my perennial pack from Thompson Morgan arrived, so I've potted those on. So those have been, going to grow these on a little bit, all looking very nice. I'll add some pictures and descriptions of what they are, so you can see what they're going to look like. So hopefully have a good display. 72 plants there, 6 of each variety, so those should look nice this summer, when we'll certainly be spending more time in our gardens and open spaces. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.